Problem 11. Because the two diagonals has 37 tiles, that means one side has 37 plus 1 divide 2 equals 19 tiles. Then the total tiles will be 19 square equals 361 tiles. Problem 12. Let's first find out the least common multiple of 4, 5, 6. Least common multiple of 4, 5, 6 equals 4 equals 2 to the power of 2. 5 is a prime, and 6 has factors 2 and 3, and because there are 2 here, so we only need to multiply 3, and that is 60. And if the integer that is divided by 4, 5, and 6 leaves a remainder of 1, then this integer should be 60 plus 1 equals 61. So it's between 60 and 79. Problem 13. The key to solve this problem is to identify that for each game there will be one winner and one loser. So the total number of winning games will equal to the total number of losing games. Now we can calculate the total number of losing games. That's the total number of games people lose. That's Peter lost 2 plus Emma lost 3 plus Kyler lost 3. Subtract the 4 games Peter won and subtract the 3 games Emma won. That will equal to the games Kyler won. And that equals to 8 subtract 7 equals 1. Problem 14. Let's assume when Zoe and Claude did the rest half of the problem together, they did X percentage correctly. And for Claude, she did 80% of the problems she solved alone correctly, and that's 1/2 of the total problems, plus the X percentage she did correctly with Zoe together, and that's the other half of the problems, and this will equal to 88 of the total overall answers she answered correctly. And let's solve this. We can multiply 2 on both sides. That will give us, here is 0.8 plus x equals 0.88 multiply 2, and x equals 0.96, which is 96%. Okay, because Zoe also did this 96% right when they did it together, so now Zoe's percentage of total correct answer will be the 90% she did correctly when she did it by herself, plus the 96% she did together with Chloe. And that will give us 93%. Problem 15. The key to solve this problem is to identify how many choices we have for each letter or digit. And let's write A, M, C, 8 here. And for letter A, we only have one choice. That's the center letter here. So it's 1. And after we choose A, then there are 4 M around A. So we have 4 choices for M. And for each M we choose, we will have 3 C's for this M. And then again, also 3 C's for this M. And similarly for the other 2 M, we also have 3 C choices for each of them. So we multiply the 3 for choice to get letter C. And then for 8, we need to identify that for each C chosen, we have 2 8s to choose from. And for example, if we choose this C, we also have 2 8 to choose from. And again, this one, again, we have 2 8 choices. So for each C we choose, we can have 2 choices for 8. And that will give us 24 in total. So the answer is D.